Have you ever bought a stock only to see the price drop as soon as you press buy? And have you with the same stock tried to sell it and as soon as you sell the price goes up by 30%? Well, that is the nature of the stock market, and a lot of good investors have come up with a strategy that is super simple, but it ensures that over a long period of time you are making money in the stock market rather than just losing it all. And this one strategy is so simple, it is literally just investing as regularly as possible. So in this video, I'm going to show you InvestEngine's new feature, which are their savings plan, how you can set up your savings plan. So for a limited time, if you sign up using the link in the description down below, when you top up £100, you will receive a £25 bonus. So throughout the month of August, InvestEngine are holding a competition for new and existing members, where if you start using the savings plan, you will be put into a competition to win £1,000. So this is my InvestEngine account, and what you want to do is to find the portfolio that you want to set up savings plans with. Now, because InvestEngine makes it very easy for you to manage your different portfolios, you can set up savings plan on the portfolio that you want it to. Now, I'm a bit extra, so I have a lot of different portfolios, but the one I want to set up a monthly occurring direct debit to is the FTSE 250. So all I have to do is press into it, and as you can see, there is a new button here called set up a savings plan, and if I go into it, it explains what a savings plan is. So savings plans are a way to regularly invest money in an automated way. So InvestEngine use open banking technology called variable recurring payments, which allows investors to automatically add money from their bank account. You can choose to set up these payments weekly, fortnightly, or even monthly. So once InvestEngine receives this money, they automatically put it into work using their auto invest feature. So with the auto invest feature, this allocates the recurring payments to the pre-selected ETFs that the investor has chosen in their savings plans. So once you activate savings plans, InvestEngine will completely handle the investment process for you. So the idea of savings plans essentially is to take the hassle out of regular long-term investing. So when the money is deposited into the account, the money is automatically invested. And remember, InvestEngine is powered by ETFs, so you're only investing in companies that are well diversified through very high quality ETFs, mostly based in the UK. So most people get paid monthly, so the monthly option might be the best one. However, if you really want to be pound cost averaging to the max, you can actually save up weekly. I remember I was in a job once that actually paid weekly, so that could be an amazing choice for someone like that. So if I press continue, it will take me to the next screen, and the first drop down menu is the frequency. So like I said, you can do weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. I'm going to go with monthly, and the next thing you have to do is set up a payment date. So it must be from the 1st to the 28th. So most people get paid on the last working day of the month, and most of the time this is before the 31st of the month. So keep that in mind if you are paid sometimes on the 31st, to have a bit of buffer cash in your accounts. So I'm going to go with 28 because that is the closest to the end of the month possible. I'm sure they did this because February is the shortest month and most of the time it is 28 days. So I want to do £100, and as you can see, my bank account is already linked with InvestEngine. I press in £100. So all you have to do now is just confirm and press continue. So next thing you'll do is to go into your bank account and just confirm those details. It's not going to let me share my screen for privacy reasons, but right now I'm going through TrueLayer and my bank is asking if I want to approve InvestEngine and set up a recurring payment of £100. You can also choose what account it's coming from. So currently I'm putting it from my current account, and then I just press continue. So the savings plans actually do go through TrueLayer, which is one of the easiest ways to link your bank with InvestEngine and also other investment accounts. So there you go, your savings plan is set up, and now you can confirm the details. So £100 max monthly. So that's all there is. Now if I want to go back and check, you can see that it says savings plan £100 a month. Now at the 28th of each month, £100 is going to be taken directly from my current account straight into my InvestEngine portfolio of the FTSE 250, and just like that, without any extra effort, I don't have to worry about putting in money regularly, because as we know from the data, the stock market over a long period of time always tends to go up. But just as a caveat, past performance is not an indicator for future performance, and with any sort of investing, your capital is going to be at risk. So for a limited time, if you sign up using the link in the description down below, when you top up £100, you will receive a £25 bonus. And remember, in August, InvestEngine is holding a competition where you can win up to £1,000 if you set up a savings plan. So make sure to check out some of my other videos, and I will see you in the next video.